Hello, students. We're going to do the Who's Joe question here. Use the slope to find the missing coordinate point. Okay, so we have a slope. Oh, we're given the slope. The slope is 3/2. And we got to find the missing y value. So we got to figure out what goes here to make 3/2. So here's what we got to figure out. What does that have to be? And we already have the change in x, so we have 5 to 7, that's plus 2, okay? Change in y over the change in x equals 3/2. I almost spoiled it when I wrote my question mark, whoops. So here's my slope. Slope is change in y over change in x. The slope is this number over this number, okay? So if the change in y over change in x, or the y motion over x motion, is 3/2, that means this number right here has to be plus 3. So what number plus 3 turns into y? Reverse it, friends. Minus 3. Oh, y has got to be a regular 9. Let's double check here, okay? Let's see here. If I had 5 and 9 for my first coordinate point, and I had 7 and 12 for my second coordinate point, what is the y motion, or the change in y? Y motion, oh, there it is, plus 3. X motion, plus 2. Y motion over x motion would be 3/2. There's my slope. Got it. All right. So what you need to do, sometimes the x value is missing, so sometimes the bottom number is missing. So you may need to make a proportion because it may not be just the same number right there. All right. So anyway, the best way to do it, like I said, is the loop-to-loop method. So do your change of y over change of x, whatever's missing, set it equal to the slope, and then put the number in the right spot to get the correct coordinate point that you want. And then again, it takes 5 seconds, but you can always double check to make sure you have the correct coordinate point. All right, that is the Who's Joe.